Debt is not bad, y'all. Debt is not bad if you understand how to use it. What do I mean by debt is not bad, right? So understand, bro, using a credit card to buy things you can't actually afford because you're waiting until Friday's paycheck to hit, bro, that is not good debt, and that's not what the video is talking about, bro. That's not what the video is talking about, bro. Using a credit card to buy the latest Jordans and shit, bro, that's not what this video is about, bro. That's bad debt, and that's not good debt that is good for you to succeed, bro. Good debt is debt that can be used to make you money, bro. So what's good, y'all? It's your boy GLX back with another banger for y'all, man. Posting 2 videos in one day, man. Appreciate the love y'all been showing me, man, on my videos. As y'all can see, I retwisted my hair. That's the reason why I couldn't post yesterday. Or I just didn't post yesterday because I was gonna retwist. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the video, y'all. Let's get straight into it, man, without further delay. Now, what do I mean by bad debt and good debt, right? Well, I just showed you the first one, right? Bad debt is buying something that you have to buy something that you got to pay off with no source of like income to pay it off, and it's not gonna make you no type of money, and you don't even have the money to buy it if you didn't have the credit card. Like if understand that bad debt is buying something that won't make you money if you never had the money to actually buy it in the first place. Like for example, if you buy a pair of Jordans because now you got a credit card, when in reality you wouldn't be able to buy that you wouldn't be able to buy that until next week. Like bad debt is treating your credit card like another source of income, bro. Your credit card is not a source of income. Your credit card should be used to increase your credit score only. Your credit card should be used to only buy things when you can buy it right now. Your credit card is basically another wallet. Think of your credit card as another wallet, bro. Your credit card should not be a source of income for you to buy whatever you want, bro. It's not a source of income for you. Understand that the rule you need to have with a credit card, bro, is if you cannot buy it right now without the credit card, do not buy it at all. What I mean by that is if you got $10 in your wallet right now to your name, but you got a limit of $500, don't go buy $500 worth of snacks, or like $200 worth of like food or something, bro. Or like, just because you got a check coming on Friday, don't mean that you can max out your credit card and then pay it off. Like if you're paying everything off immediately, sure. But if you're not planning on paying it off, bro, don't spend that money on your credit card, bro. You're just gonna pay more interest in the long run. That's way more money than you would have made if you had just paid it. If you had just paid it off or just used your debit card, bro. Now, good debt, right? Good debt is using somebody else's money to make you more money. What do I mean by that, right? Good debt is not going to, basically good debt is taking out a mortgage, right? But good debt is not using a mortgage to buy a house for you to live in, for your family to live in. There's nothing wrong with that, right? There's nothing wrong with that. However, that's not what good debt is. That's still an example of bad debt because now you're tied down to a mortgage you got to pay off, bro. And if you don't, then you lose your living arrangements. Good debt will be to use the money you get from a mortgage to buy a rental property. Rent it out. Now you're making more money than what the mortgage is paying you per month, or what the mortgage is costing you per month. Let's say you use a $200,000 mortgage to buy a duplex, and you rent out both places, and it's about $1,500 each per month, and your mortgage is $2,000 per month. Now you got $3,000 coming in. You pay it off. You pay off your mortgage every month. Now you got $1,000 as income, because you can choose to just leave it like that and just pay off your mortgage over time, or you can put that money back into the mortgage and pay it off quicker. And then now you own a building and you have passive income. You have passive income capabilities. You have the capability to do passive income. You feel what I'm saying? The difference between good debt and bad debt is what you buy. Because it's not necessarily if you got the money to buy it. The reason I said you shouldn't use a credit card to buy things you can't afford right now, but you can use a mortgage to buy something you can't afford right now, is because you're using it for two different things, bro. A credit card, most likely you cannot buy something that can make you money unless it's like something online, which in that case, that's good. That's good debt. You're buying something that can be an asset that makes you money. You feel what I'm saying? But if you're just using your credit card to buy luxury, to buy just bullshit, you feel what I'm saying? You're not going to get rich. You're not going to go far because, you're going to go into bad debt. You're going to go into bad debt, bro. Because understand this, right? Understand that what you buy, it matters more to your wallet than you think it is. Because when you buy something that can make you money in the long run, you are essentially saying you're going to take this money and you're going to put it into something that'll make you more money to be able to pay that off and then do it all over again. Because now you got a source of income right here. So now you can borrow more money, and then on top of the money you got from here, the more money you get from there. Like, for example, you buy one house with that money, you pay off your mortgage. Buy another house with that money, you can pay off your mortgage even quicker. And now you have two houses. So now you buy another mortgage or another house, and then you pay it off even quicker. It's a continuous cycle. One house can make one house can make one. Then two houses can make four. Four houses can make six. 3, 4, all this stuff. You feel what I'm saying? It's a continuous cycle. Money is just a cycle. All rich people are just products of a cycle. Money is just a cycle, bro. Money is only a cycle. Understand that good debt is, again, I'm going to keep saying this over and over again, bro. Good debt is using other people's money to buy things that you can't afford that makes you money. Good debt is buying things that you can't afford that makes you money. For what I'm saying? Bad debt is buying things that you can't afford that does not make you money. What did I say before in my first video? Buy assets. Good debt lets you buy assets. Bad debt lets you buy liabilities. I talked about this way before on my channel, bro. The difference between a liability and an asset. Liabilities can take money out of your pocket. Assets put money into your pocket. Good debt lets you buy things that put money into your pocket. So understand, bro, when next time you want to buy something using your credit card and you're still waiting for Friday's check to hit, bro, you can wait, bro. Unless it's like something serious like food or something, bro, you can wait. Or if you intend to pay it off, like start paying off your credit card immediately, bro. Stop waiting until the last minute, bro. Pay off the minute you buy something, bro, put money into your credit card. Because understand, your credit card also gives you points anyway. So you was going to buy the thing anyway, but you might as well get points. You feel what I'm saying? So use your credit card to buy something like $10 or something, then put money into it immediately after you buy it. You make sure you have the money before you buy it, bro, and then put money into your credit card. Do not just buy something and then wait to the last minute to pay it off. Then you forget, oops, I forgot. Now you got interest. You feel what I'm saying? All the money from the points you made, that gets canceled. That gets canceled out because now you got interest to pay. You feel what I'm saying? This one might have been a short one, but that's what I got for y'all, man. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the video, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching to the end. Amen. We out.